the side yard. You can see it looks like it was a driveway that kind of comes up. It's got a porch, mature trees. It's kind of a big step right here. Come inside. Ooh. Sorry. So I'm on the foyer right now. It's not a working fireplace, it's just decorative. So this is probably like a 12 by 14 room with a big window. They're talking about entertaining. Ceilings are probably 8 feet, maybe 9 feet. And then we are thinking that they maybe potentially added this room that we'll go into. But this is the view down. So here you can kind of see this kind of dead space right here, and then back towards the dining room. So this would be the master. They have a king-size bed, and Armando doesn't like the idea of kids being upstairs and them being down. But this is the master. Sorry, I don't know if you can really see. Kind of is a big room. I don't have dimensions. I'm so bad with that. Got a small window. They've got a full-size bed in here. You could easily get a king or queen. And then you're kind of out across in this empty dead space. But we talked about chairs and what that could be. We talked about doing a built-in along the corner here, so like kind of like a booth in the corner and a table up above. They like that idea. It's a really kind of big space. You can kind of see how they cut the stairs to go up to the attic. And so this kind of comes over, and here's the kitchen. Not a ton of cabinets. There was a question about are the cabinets being straight, but maybe the ceiling isn't. It kind of looks like it kind of goes up to the left corner. They weren't sure if that was structural or part of the house, but that's the kitchen. And then you come here, and you kind of, looks like, it's from the outside, it's a separate enclosed mudroom. It kind of slopes down a little bit. And right here is the laundry hookup. And then right next to it is the access to the bathroom. Same scenario. Armando can't really stand up in the shower. That doesn't really seem to be a huge issue for them. And so here's kind of the sink. And it kind of, the ceiling of this toilet's kind of tucked into this little alcove right here. And then here's the shower. Really, really short. I'd pretty much almost hit my head. There's a tiny little window in here that you can see. It's got a huge backyard. We're going to go out there now. Sorry. Kind of comes down and gets funky. Really bright outside. Huge. Let me just pan. So you've got like the shed. Paperwork says that there's room for three cars stacked. They like this. We talked a lot about the basement access. It's really rough. I'll go down there a little bit later and shoot a separate video. Armando, they really like this, all this natural light. It's an empty lot next door, so even if they build, it could increase the value, but they're not going to be right up on this house. So they'll have plenty of still natural light. And then here's the separate egress to the basement. We'll go down there, and then if you look up, you can see the house and then this kind of door structure. So I'm going to stop the video here, and then we'll go upstairs and shoot again.